Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Advanced RSI Indicator on your MT4 terminal and how to use the indicator effectively. So first step is to download the indicator. You're going to see the link to this web page in the description. All right, you just click on the link and then you come here, you just click on this free download. Right now, we're going to be coming to our MT4 terminal to add the indicator to the chart. Okay, you just refresh your navigator after you must have added the indicator to your indicators folder, and then we're going to look for the exclusive. All right, ensure you pay attention to the name of the indicator file. Okay, the name of the indicator file is important because that's what you're going to use to search for it here in your navigator. So the exclusive MTF RSI, you're just going to drag it and drop here. Ensure that your allow DLL imports box is checked. And then as for the input, you can see there are, a lot of customizable inputs here. You can customize the settings according to your taste. The RSI period. Remember, the RSI period determines how fast, your indicator reacts to price changes, right? So you have to modify this if you're not comfortable with the defaults, okay? And then you have the RSI price, and then you can see you have all these other things. This is a multi-time frame indicator, right? So if you want the M1, M5, M15, M30, M60, M240, M1440, and all of that, if you want, these time frames to be considered, then you can leave these on true. If you want to exclude, any time frame, just put it on false, right? And then you can see the colors accordingly and all of that. So now, we also have levels. You can set your levels, for your oversold and overbought territories, right? So now this is a multi-time frame indicator. Like I said, it's actually an advanced version of the RSI, as the name implies. Okay, it helps you to refine, the traditional relative strength index built to deliver clearer and more dependable trading signals. Okay, so just like how the RSI to function, when the RSI line is above the oversold territory, is above the overbought line. When the RSI line is above the overbought line, you want to look out for possible bearish. You want to look out for possible bearish signals. All right, bearish price action. Okay, I'm trying to see if we can change the color. Right, we have to change the color of this so we can see it clearly. Okay, yeah, here we go. So when the indicator line is above 70, you want to look out for bearish price action. When the indicator line is below 30, you want to look out for bullish price action. Okay, make sure you get confirmation before you execute the trade. All right, it's pretty straightforward. Now you can see that the indicator shows you the RSI values across different time frames, so that you can, from one chart, you can be seeing the RSI values across different time frames. It's a multi-time frame indicator, so you can see on M30 it's showing you the value as 60.4. On the H4 time frame it's showing you the value as this 59.4. On the D1 you can see, on the weekly time frame you can see. Okay, so while you are doing your analysis on one particular time frame, at least you can still be able to see the RSI values across other time frames, even without having to change the time frame from here. Okay, so it's quite a beneficial indicator that you can consider adding to your trading toolkit. For more videos like this, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more trading tips and indicator explanations. Cheers, and see you in the next one.